Hello everybody out there, welcome back to the RostyMaths channel and welcome to a new set of topics I'm going to be doing now. So now I'm going to be going down the line of proportion, and you are here to see the very first video on this beautiful topic. Once you understand this, it's going to make life very easy for you with your fractions, decimals and percentages. Let's jump straight into the lesson. Okay everybody, so this is my first topic on proportion. Now before we start doing this topic, let's first of all talk about what proportion is. Now proportion means a part of something, and you can represent your proportion in three main ways. You can represent your proportion as a fraction, because it's going to be a part of something, as a decimal, so something point something something, or you can represent it as a percentage. Either of those three ways would be perfectly fine for representation of proportion. Now, how do you work out proportion? So now we know what it looks like. How do we work it out? Well, to work out the proportion of something, we need whatever we desire. So I'm going to call that what you want, and you divide it always by the total of whatever you have. So let's look at this question we've got. Very short video, smash it out and we're done. In a fish pond, there are 9 green fish out of 36 fish in total. Really easy. So you can see what I want is a green fish, and in total I've got 36 fish. So what proportion of the fish in the pond are green? So to find my green fish, there are 9 green fish in there out of 36 in total. Now I'm done, but I could simplify this. If I simplify this, I know that a quarter of all the fish in the pond would be green. And that's representing my answer as a fraction. I could represent it as a decimal as well. So I can say that my green fish is 0.25 because a quarter is 0.25. Or I can represent it as a percentage. So I can say that my green fish would be 25%. Okay? And that brings us to the end of this really short video on proportion. All you got to remember is when you represent your answer, fraction, decimal or percentage, and you are in with a good win there. Anyway, did you understand it? Hit that like button on the video, and if you haven't subscribed as yet, please subscribe below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so as soon as another video comes, you can see it. Until I see you on the next one though, peace.